This time it's a special for us because we are supporting this exhibition as ALPS. ALPS is the All India Label Printers and Suppliers Association.
Presently, I see the printing industry in this region is growing, and the market we see it is growing so much that the new technologies are being introduced on speed and the short run quantities, which is good.
The people were wonderful, very friendly, and I love the tradition. So I'm quite impressed.
Printing technology is changing every day. So for a printer to go and physically verify what he wants to do or what he should buy and what he should not buy, for this exhibition is going to help him out.
It's very big, a lot of machinery to be shown in this fair. It's very big show and I'm really amazed for that.
From looking at all the machines, we are giving them all the solutions which are for their comfort level.
Very much interested in making good relations with our Indian counterparts. Therefore, we made a delegation of about 14 people, came all the way from Palestine to come and see what India has to offer in the field of this kind of business.
We see a lot of crowd on day number 2 of the show, and we expect more to come. So we are really excited to be here at this show.
IPAMA has always done great, and I think this exhibition is also very nice. Being the second day of the exhibition, the footfall is quite good. We are getting very good queries, and I hope to generate good business out of it.
I would like to welcome Mr. Gururaj Ballarwar, President, Association of Label Printers and Suppliers.
Yes, thank you so very much. Just because of your trust and efforts, we people are rising together, and that's the idea of IPAMA. This is the purpose why we conduct this IPAMA. That's the reason all the GC members are putting their efforts, because we have the people like you with us every time, right next to us. So thank you so very much. Thank you so very much, gentlemen.